I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
GTA V does not include an official taxi livery you can unlock through missions in story mode or in GTA Online. Rockstar never added a built-in taxi paint unlock. The only reliable method in single-player is to install a local mod that replaces vehicle textures or model components with a taxi livery. That process edits game archive files on your PC, so you must back up the original files and follow mod tool instructions carefully to avoid corruption or lost progress. First, back up the specific game archive such as update, RPF, or the target vehicle file before making any changes. Keep at least one copy off the game folder. Install OpenRoman4 and the community-supplied mod, then enable edit mode and follow the mod's README exactly. Typically, you will import the taxi texture DDS into the vehicle's texture folder, replace the default texture, and save. After replacing files, re-verify the archive in OpenRoman4 and test in a clean single-player session to confirm the livery. Always test the taxi livery mod in single-player only. Using mods in GTA Online risks a ban and is unsupported by Rockstar. Keep one unmodified backup of any files you replace so you can restore them if the game crashes or textures fail. Run one quick validation by spawning the target vehicle or loading a saved game slot after install. Understand that there is no official Rockstar support for mods. Proceed at your own risk and remove mods or verify game integrity before playing online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.